In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create groups in Zendesk. Whether you're managing a small customer service team or overseeing a large support department, organizing your team into groups will help streamline operations and optimize workflow efficiency. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open the Admin Center in Zendesk. Begin by navigating to the product tray icon located at the top right corner of your Zendesk interface. This icon resembles a grid of 9 dots, so it's pretty easy to spot. A simple click on this icon will show a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for and select the option labeled Admin Center. This is your main hub for managing settings and configurations related to your support environment. Once you're in the Admin Center, you're going to focus on setting up your team structure. In there, you'll need to navigate to the appropriate section where groups are managed. Begin by selecting People from the available categories on the left side. This will expand a drop-down where you will then find the Team section. Under Team, click on Groups. You're now on the right path to structuring your team more effectively. Now let's move on to creating your first group. In the Groups section, you'll notice an option or button that says Add Group. Click on this to initiate the group creation process. Here, you'll need to define some details to specify the purpose and structure of your new group. Start by giving your group a meaningful name. This could be as straightforward as calling it Technical Support, if the group will handle tech-related queries, or maybe Billing Team for those managing financial inquiries. A descriptive name not only keeps things organized, but also helps agents understand which group they might belong to or who to contact for certain issues. For additional clarity, consider adding a description of the group. Though adding a description is optional, it can be quite beneficial for providing context about the group's responsibilities and expectations, especially as your team grows. Now it's time to assign agents to this group. You will see a list of available agents displayed with checkboxes next to their names. Simply check the boxes next to the names of those you want to include in this particular group. It's important to note that agents in Zendesk can belong to multiple groups concurrently, so don't worry if some need to be part of several different groups. Once you've configured the group's name, description, and members, all that's left is to save your new configuration. Locate the Save button, give it a click, and you're all done. And there you have it. You've successfully created a group in Zendesk, opening up a new way to organize and manage your team. This setup not only enhances your support operations, but also helps provide a clearer structure for your agents, leading to better service for your customers. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing.